Hello everyone, it's Natasha from Treasure Books. Today I'm here to share with you the latest things that I have in my Etsy shop, but also to give you some inspiration on your creative journey. So let's start with this one. Okay, so the first item is this altered paper bag. So it has all sorts of pockets and things that I have added onto it. We'll go through everything, but the main thing is on the inside here, it houses a journal. So let's go through the journal last, and I'll just show you how I've altered this paper bag. Okay, so here I've just glued on pockets and things like that. So the bag can't open fully. The gusset is glued down to create a pocket. And I have added little goodies inside, like large journaling spots and things like that. And then here as well, some more journaling spots and things. This one here, I actually have a tutorial on creating these. I'm going to link it down below. Basically what it is if you have large images like this that you don't know what to do with, there's many things we can do with them, but beautiful colors, beautiful images, but very, very large from magazines or books. You can cut them down into smaller pieces and create little things like this, journaling spots. These can go on covers and journals and things like that. So I will link that tutorial down below. So we have a pocket here, that's where I put that. Then there's a pocket here. And then there's a pocket here. And then at the back here, I've got a little notebook type thing, a little quote thing here that I've glued down. So a pocket there, there's 3 pockets in total on this side and 3 on the other. And then just little bits and pieces that I've put inside the pockets. This one here. Also a book page that I have created into this, what would you call it, like a journaling spot card. It can be a page in a journal, you know, anything you really want to do with that. So yeah, 3 pockets there, 3 pockets on this side, and then here we've got the journal. And this is the journal that lives inside the bag. So I've just added this as a closure, and then embellish the front cover, and then inside is kind of like a bit of a pink theme. So I've just added things like this that I made, this card, a tag, and then this little tag in there. I'm not going to take it out because this will never end. And then just slightly embellished pages, some of these quotes from books. This one is from Flowbook. Now this here I have a tutorial on as well, using fan, you know, those hand fans, and pulling them apart and then creating these bookmarks, bookmark tassels, and they look really, really cute inside journals. So here is a pocket with some little bits and pieces in there. And then just all different types of things. This is quite a thin page. This would be really good for collaging, and this is from the Flow magazine. And then here, today I'm grateful for, you can do a little list. These pages are Easter dye. I used Easter dye to color them. This one here, the middle page, opens right up like this. So lots of journaling space, which is what I'm all about. And then I will put all of the measurements and all of that in the Etsy listing if you're interested. And then here is another little pocket. I've just popped some different things in there. And what's this one? This is an envelope also. Okay. And then slowly coming to the end of this journal. And this is a this is a last page, and I've done some stenciling on there as well. A little journaling spot here, and handmade by Natasha from Treasure Books down here. And this cover I made as well from ripping up book pages, gluing them down. I sealed everything, and I have also lined it with an extra piece of scrapbook paper to make it nice and sturdy. So it's not flimsy, it's quite a sturdy cover. And this again can go back on there and inside the bag, and that's its little home. So that completes the first item that's in my shop. Okay, next I have 2 of these journal / treasure box items. So in here is a pink journal. Put this back. Let's start with this one. So the journals are naked journals, and I'll show you what I mean, but I've also included a little treasure pack that you can use to put inside the journal or embellish your journal. So these books were Reader's Digest books that I have altered, and you can see this fabric here. I've actually sewn it on directly onto the cover and then glued it down. And then on the inside, they're slightly different. This part is slightly different in both journals. You'll see what I mean. But all of the pages are, there's no embellishing inside the journal. So there's 3 signatures, and I can't remember how many pages. I have it in the listing on my Etsy shop, but all of the pages are unembellished, but I've used all different types of tea-dyed pages with different hues just to have a little bit of something, you know, just to kickstart that creative process when you're going to write in your journal. So, and I've also included some specialty papers throughout, and I'll just do this quickly so you can see. There's some coloring book pages, tea-dyed, some different types of paper like this one here, graph paper, like that one there. So just different types of things. And then also this is the back. And then here I've got this thick kind of a vellum paper. And it was very, very bright. So I tea-dyed it and gave it that nice hue. And just different types of paper. So that's what I mean by naked journal. There's no embellishing. It's just all different types of paper bound into this hardcover book. And then I have included little bits and pieces. So let's go through everything. This first one is an extra little booklet. Opens like this. And then there's pages in there to be journaled on or embellished. And it just closes like this. Then I have this little dangly with this all attached onto a silver bulb pin up there. Then there's one of these little string tie envelopes. In here I have included extra bits and pieces, so I'll just quickly show you. So there's some little tags like this, there's journaling spots, there's some stickers, there's some of this vellum type little pieces of embellishments that you can put on your page, some tags, and just little things like this that you can use throughout your journal. And I have just sewn 2 pages, book pages together to create this little baggy type thing, and that's closed and held closed with a simple paper clip like that. Okay, and then some of these index cards that have been tea dyed and coffee dyed, and some extra papers like this. These are perforated pages, and then some journaling spots. There's large ones, there's small ones to tuck into the journal. This is a photo overlay. Then this card with an envelope, some specialty papers like this that you can use. I think they look beautiful in projects. This is actually a photograph that I've put through my die cut machine, embossing machine I should say, to create these this embossed circles. Looks quite cool. This one here is a little pouch that can be sealed. You can see those little sealing edges there. Then I've also included these. I had 2 of these paper bags, and I think they would be really cute as a project to alter them and include a little journal, kind of what I've done with the previous item that I showed. So I thought that was really cute. Then a little tag that I made, and then here is this pocket that I made. I've just sewn, this is a scrapbook paper. I've embellished the front, and then in there I've popped 2 tags that you can embellish yourself. And then this one, this is cardstock, not very thick cardstock, but it's cardstock. And then this one opens up for extra journaling. You can even have a little signature in here or in here to create a booklet. So I like to kickstart the creative process and then have you guys add your own little things, because I think it's nice when you're purchasing things that you add your own touch. So when I create things, that's the kind of thing that I have in mind. Okay, so that completes the green journal treasure box. Okay, now for the pink one. So the extra goodies that are inside the box are pretty much the same as the one that I've just shown you, so I don't have to go through that again. Some differences, you know, like this image is different on the card, and you know, just some slight differences like here. You know, I just use what I have, so they're not exactly the same, but you get this, you know, pretty much the same things. Okay, so that's that. And then the journal, same thing again as the previous one. It's a Reader's Digest book, and I've covered the spine. I have reinforced the spine to make it more sturdy, and then I've sewn this material on. This inside looks a little bit different than the other one, and then the pages are pretty much, you know, similar to what I've shown you as in the previous journal, so pretty much the same actually. Lots and lots of writing areas here and lots of places for you to embellish. This was another one of those vellum pages. It was really bright, happy, you know, purple and pink color that I've tea dyed, and it looks so much better now than it did when, you know, before the tea dyeing process. Okay, so that concludes today's video. Nice and short and sweet. The link to my Etsy is down below. I hope you feel inspired. Do let me know what you think. I'm always inspired by all of your comments that you leave me, so I really appreciate you commenting and liking my videos, so please do so if you don't mind. I will remember to link down the tutorials that I mentioned of this tassel and this little thing here, so hopefully you'll go and have a look at those. Thank you so much for being here with me today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Oh, hello, you're still here. Good, because you get to see a little sneak peek of my next video. So, these are all of the things that I have created using tissue boxes. So, if you have some empty tissue boxes, make sure you hang on to them. You have them ready, because you might need them for this project. Please let me know if you stay till the end. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!